What's up guys, Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we're doing a skin fade haircut on a woman. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start our skin line. Now, I really like the way this haircut came out. Love all the tattoos that she has on her head, on the side of her face. Makes the haircut look pretty cool. So what we're doing here is we're grabbing a number 2 guard, we're flicking our wrists and creating room for our fade. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the comb, and we're going to do clipper over comb because this part of the hair is pretty thick. So we want to clipper over comb that. Next thing I did was pretty much put the hair up and use my number 2 guard. Now we're jumping down to our 1.5, flicking the wrist and blending into that 2 guard. Next step here, we're going to drop down to our 1 guard. And we're basically going to blend out that 1.5. So we're working our way from the biggest guards down to the smallest guards. And soon you're starting to see the fade really starting to take place. Notice how I'm flicking my wrist and I'm opening the lever as I get higher. Bend the ear. If you got to get behind the ear, you're going to have to bend it, guys. Don't be afraid to bend the ear. Next step here, we're going to drop down to our 1/2 guard, and you're going to really start to see the fade take place. Now with this particular haircut, we pretty much left everything natural in the front. She didn't want to shape up the front. She wanted to keep it as feminine as possible. So that's exactly what we did here. Now you can see I'm keeping my machine a lot lower. I'm not going higher. A lot of you guys that are having problems leaving a line in the head, it's because you're bringing the machine too high with a shorter guard. You want to make sure that you're keeping it as low as possible when you're lowering the clips. All right, last step here, guys. We're going to completely skin out this fade. And what we did here was remove all guards from the machine, close the machine. We did shorter strokes, and we're really starting to get that skin line out. Look how short my strokes are, guys. Really, really short. Machine is closed. As I get higher, I start to open up that machine. Now again, take your time when you get to this part because you don't want to go higher. You're going to create another line. Same thing on this side, shorter strokes, take your time. Now I'm going to go out with my outliner a little bit more just to make sure that everything is clean. Always go over your clients and make sure everything is clean. Now what I did here was grab the shaver just to get that closer look so those tattoos can really stand out and she can really show off all that artwork that she has on her head. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.